Today's lesson is on plural nouns in English. This lesson is great for A1 or elementary learners. My name is Caitlin. I'm your teacher here at Learn English on the Internet. Let's go. What is a noun? A noun is a person, a place, or a thing. There are different types of nouns. Some nouns are things that we can touch, like a phone or a book. Other nouns are things we cannot touch, like an idea or beauty. Proper nouns are names of places or people, such as England or Caitlin. Nouns can be singular, which means there is one book. Or they can be plural, which means there are two or more. 2 books, 3 books, 1,000,000 books. We make plural nouns in English by adding an S to the end of the word. 1 book, many books. But sometimes the spelling rules are more complicated. Let's look at some of the other spelling rules to make plural nouns in English. When a noun ends in S, X, CH, SH, or Z, we add ES to the end of the word. For example, 1 bus, 2 buses. 1 box, 3 boxes. 1 watch, 4 watches. Sometimes we also add an ES on a noun that ends in O, but not always. For example, 1 potato, 2 potatoes. 1 piano, 2 pianos. If a noun ends in a consonant plus Y, we change the Y to an I and add ES. For example, 1 baby, 2 babies. 1 city, 2 cities. Sometimes when a word ends in F or FE, we change the F to a V and we add ES. 1 leaf, 2 leaves. 1 knife, 2 knives. But not always. 1 roof, 2 roofs. Some nouns don't have any rules when they turn into the plural, and we just have to remember how to write them. 1 child, 2 children. 1 person, 2 people. 1 mouse, 3 mice. 1 man, 2 men. 1 foot, 2 feet. And some nouns just don't change when we make them plural. 1 sheep, 2 sheep. 1 fish, 2 fish. 1 deer, 2 deer. I hope you found this lesson helpful. You can find a link to the full blog post on plural nouns in the description below. There you will also find a link to book a private one-on-one lesson with me. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more English on the internet. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!